I want to commend you, Your Excellency, for South Sudan signing the tripartite free trade agreement, which is aimed at promoting intra-African trade. As you know, Your Excellency, this instrument will connect our countries into a market of 27 countries. It will bring together COMESA, it will bring together EAC and SADC, and your signing into that agreement, which Kenya already signed, is a very welcome development. It speaks to the integration of our markets in the African continent. I must congratulate South Sudan for that step. I note with a lot of appreciation the achievement your government has had on the implementation of the revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan. I urge all the parties to the peace agreement to expedite implementation of the pending tasks of the agreement, and Kenya, as your brothers and sisters and as guarantor to the peace agreement, assures you, Your Excellency, and the people of South Sudan of our unwavering support to the government and people of South Sudan as they work to ensure the full implementation of the peace agreement.
South Sudan and Kenya, time-honored and strong bilateral relations, and emphasize the need to coordinate our positions on regional and global issues. We agree that these relations provide an avenue for our two countries to enhance mutual cooperation in areas of mutual interests. In line with IGAD mandate on regional security, we also deliberated on the ongoing crisis in the Sudan.